kids, this is I Motivate for Kids. On this channel, we motivate kids to do better at home, school, and everywhere else. And as usual, we have our helper James here.
Hi guys.
And he's gonna help us unbox another toy. What toy are we unboxing today, James?
So today we are actually unboxing a Minecraft. We have the villager right here. At the back, you could see which other ones we could collect. We could collect Steve with the diamond armor. And also we could collect an iron golem. Let's do it. So here's the thing that it's actually in right here. So here's the villager.
Oh wow, look at the blacksmith is making something. So what do you think he's making?
I think he is making armor.
Oh, okay. So he can give the villagers to fight the zombies?
Yeah.
Awesome.
And all the creepers.
And all the creepers. Great job. So children, today we're going to talk about another Tony Robbins quote. It says, trade your expectation for appreciation and the world changes instantly. So what that means is, instead of expecting your mom to buy you clothes every single time, why don't you say, Mommy, I really appreciate these clothes that you buy for me every time. So when you begin to appreciate people, the world around you changes instantly. Because when you appreciate people, then you make them feel good. And when you make them feel good, then they feel good about themselves. And you also feel good about yourself. So life is not always about give me, give me, give me. Life is about appreciating what people do for you. So take today to appreciate your mom, your dad, your teachers, your coach, your grandma, grandpa, uncles, aunties. Take today and reflect and appreciate what people do for you. If you learned something today, please share with your friends and family. Like the video and subscribe to our channel. Remember what we always say on this channel. It's not impossible because I'm unstoppable. It's not impossible because I'm unstoppable. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you in our next video. Bye.